13829 West. This property has a one-car garage in the back, 1.5. As you can see, it's just been updated. Awesome street near Cam's Corner, in Cam's Corner actually. Let's go inside. So this property's been totally redid, new paint, plugs, switches, lights, flooring, blinds, new heater, new water heater. See all these particular, all the wood floor's been refinished. Again, you got plug switches and lights in here, and blinds. Same thing in here. Nice big bedrooms, 2 first floor bedrooms and a bathroom. So there's the carbon. So there's your bathroom, newer tub. Kitchen's got gas cooking, as you can see. It's got a stove. It's a nice little microwave there. New flooring. And it looks nice. Let's go upstairs. This has a gigantic upstairs bedroom. So it has the stairs and, the drawers. And we put new flooring up here. So very nice. Laminate strips, it's thick. You got the pine sides. You got the closet there. You've got a lot of storage for stairs there and everything. New lights and new blinds. And we polyed the side there. So, and you also got a finished basement in this particular house. Let's go downstairs and look at that real quick. It's a really nice place, very close to everything. Quiet street. You got a fenced in backyard too, so that's nice. Let's go downstairs real quick. And so this is a finished basement area. And again, it has the maple sides all refinished, carpeted. Got a little bar here. You can, it's very private here. Nice big area. A little storage area, utility room, washer and dryer. All that stuff is right here. And then again, you've got a new water heater, a new heater. So everything's very new here. So this is your virtual tour. Awesome house on West in Cleveland, Ohio. Thanks.